Fish of the day. Nice rock bass.
Nice little rocky.
Not what we're going for, but we'll take them.
Yeah.
It's only been like 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Looking to hook into some more.
Nice rocky.
We're going for a bunch
Just
of bass
open.
today.
Can't let you film. All right, we got a big fish on here.
It's bass.
Yep, I see bass.
Salmon! Oh! Look at that fish.
Get him in. Get him in.
Oh, right on the top.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Holy crap, I'm freaking out right now. That thing was screaming out like, that is a mongo. What is that, 3.5?
Yeah.
4?
Don't have we'll measure them though.
Guys, look at him.
4 pounder even.
Oh no.
That could be 4. Are you getting a good angle of him?
Yeah.
Let's measure them.
Bam!
Get a boy, Isaac.
On the 2.
Did you already tell him about the tournament?
We're trying to catch 25 largemouth today. Very fat, and he is 18 about. Yes. Oh my gosh. Guys, Cam was a huge bass on here. This spot is just loaded with giants. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Get in! That's just like mine. That is just like mine. That's just like mine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is a stud. That is, what do you have to say about that, sir?
Oh,
that, what's that, 4? That has to be 4.
Here, let's measure them.
I think that looks like the exact same fish. Let me see him. Oh, ow. That didn't feel good. That is a toad.
Yeah, let's measure them. See if he's bigger or smaller than Isaac's.
Dude, I thought it was a muskie.
It was fighting so hard.
These guys fight really hard.
Yes, they do.
16.
Just below his, but
Guys, these are
great
pretty long
fish.
videos.
Like about
Oh yeah,
10
just
pounder.
below mine. Maybe the same weight, maybe a little less, but that is a giant. Doc. Hold up.
first cast.
First cast at this new spot here. You know, just
Barely hooked. Look, guy. Should I put him in or no?
Yeah.
Okay, fill up the bucket.
Alrighty.
It's nice and moist. Get in the boat, yeah! Woo! Folks, this is another bass. As you can see here. Double up. Indeed. Truman calls this the walleye bar, but I'm not sure it's much of a walleye bar. You look at that, I unhooked him.
Well, that's what it just said.
It said it?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
On avionics.
What?
Mm-hmm.
So we're basically putting our best 3 fish from each location into this cooler, putting water in it, and then we're getting a picture. Oh, goody me at the end. All right, guys, we had to release Campbell's that we put in here because he got a little drowsy. So we had to let him go. This is the one I caught. Nice 1 pounder, maybe a 1/2 pounder, or a 1 pounder. It's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna release him quick just so that he stays very healthy as he is.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Okay, Campbell's on with one right now. I don't know. So I think it's just a little guy, but
Yeah, I just boat flip him.
that is our 5th bass of the day. Oh,
God.
little squeaker.
Come back.
That is
Yeah.
the 5th bass of the day.
But this spot is little dinkers, but we'll
Yeah.
take them all day.
Like we said, our goal is 25. We're at 5, but
Should I put them in the well?
the day
now?
is still early. We can just release them right now. The day is still early, and we already have 5, so it's going pretty good. Plus, the best time is night. So,
Okay,
folks, we got a teeny pike right here
Get him out.
on the swim bait. Just cruising down these docks.
He will
Not
not let go.
what we're going for, folks. We only have 5 bass out of our 25 bass limit. We stopped to get a quick dinner and some ice cream. Yeah, but now we're back. No, you don't. Okay, and yeah, just let him go.
Okay.
Oh my, Campbell.
Flip it.
Hey, that's a good pike. Campbell just got one on. Or Asher just landed one. It's a nice pike.
Oh gosh, come on! Stop it!
He's about 15, 16 inches. Nice little pike. Again, not what we're really after today, but we'll take him. Show him quick, Cam. It's a nice one. All right. Guys, I just ripped this little boy in. Nice little guy. I think that's our 7th fish? 8th fish, 6th bass. Yeah, so we got to do some catching up to do, but I'm a bit in a hurry, but yeah.
Just I was saying.
Here we go. Got another largie here. Here, show him quick, Cam. We got to get back to fishing because we're trying to get to 25. We're at 9? Yep. We got to hurry. Okay. All right. We got another one quick here. They're mainly just small little guys, but... Oh.
Name round of them?
Oh, sorry. Just getting this out quick. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Another little guy. Pretty much the exact same. There we go. Okay, folks. I got another one here in the channel. It's a smallmouth, which are actually pretty rare in my opinion in Lake Minnetonka. So I'm really happy whenever I catch one of these guys. They're really, really fun fish to catch. Yeah. I'm really pumped whenever I catch one of these in Lake Minnetonka, like I said, even though it's a little guy. Whoop, smallie. Let's go. Get a quick release on him. See, bud. Okay, guys, I just caught another one, another largie here. My biggest largie of the day so far. Although we've only been fishing for about 10 minutes, but another good largie. Surprised that they're biting this well. Yeah, he's a fat little guy. Probably about a 1.5 pounder. Yeah.
Alright guys.
So, I just lost a 3-pound bass.
Yep.
I flipped it back in the pocket and it was a giant bass, but he jumped and spit it.
Yeah, and now he's caught that small little rock bass.
Folks, got another rock bass. There's quite a few of them in here. Hold on. Just gotta take him off quick. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Nice little rocky.
So guys, just caught this nice rocky. It's on that little TRD. And that's my 2nd of the day. And we're gonna get a release. Alright guys, just a little largemouth on the craw.
Hey guys, sadly we have to bring this guy home, but we have an announcement. He might have a camera to use, so he might start to, Cam, isn't this right? You might start to post videos on our channel.
Hopefully.
Since he is an owner of Bucket Mouth Fishing Crew. Anyway, so yeah, that's the big announcement. It's gonna be really cool because then you can get stuff from our lake content and stuff from his pond content, and then whenever he comes over, or then we can get him at the lake, or whenever we come over, we can get us at the pond. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry we've been caught up. We were out of town for a while, and now we're just getting back and settled in, and now getting ready for school. So we haven't had much time to edit yet, but yeah, thanks for watching.